So I don't tell her, I say, talking, I say, na me they worry with my pikin. Say, na me they worry, and I say, he say, he don't do ojuju, do medicine, nothing do me. Now, I made the whole gone enough. If they try gone, no, tell me, make the take knife to cut my neck. I not do anything, Baba God, they look me. One picky way bomb me with Augusta. If they look me, they said to talk with Augusta come out. If they look me, if I lie. If I tell people, say, may help you kill my Augusta, my no better for me.
Regardless of what crime you have committed, it is not a thing that should be encouraged in the society. And that's why from time to time, the Lagos State Police Command parades some suspects here at the Lagos State Police Headquarters in Ikeja, the state capital. My name is Amlaro Kolan. In this special episode of Busted, we have a woman, an old woman, so to say, Madam Gladys, who was almost assassinated by people sent to kill her by her younger sister. Okay, so this site is said to be in London, and of course, she sent people down to Nigeria, or people in Nigeria, to assassinate this woman. It's a very, very interesting issue here. You guys have to come along with us to find out more details about this assassination.
On the 26th of July 2018, the DPO Igando police station and his team rounded up a gang that had been mobilized to assassinate one Gladys Omohi Usaibovo, an indigene of Edo State. This case has to do with that of human trafficking that went awry. To make it clearer, Gladys Omon Usaibovo and Augusta Usaibovo are siblings. The eldest in the family being Gladys. A little while ago, Gladys Usaibovo Omon begged her younger sister, Augusta Usaibovo, requesting that Gladys takes Mercy Omon, the younger sister's daughter, to Europe for a better life.
One day, Osara with Igbene don't come greet me. After he don't greet me, after 17 or the 14, see Igbene, I don't even know I'm again. Come tell me say, me no know. I said, I want to buy something. He said, no. Now Osara come that day with the Igbene don't come with him. Say he can't take me, show me for that or 17 or the 14 or the 17 or the 24. Now they tell me this one. Say Osara say me he can't kill me. Say my sister, me know my sister for London. I say yes. Now me senior. I say Augusta. I said yes, na me senior for Lord Augusta. More senior. Well, he said now, he said, oh, what you doing? I not do anything. As I take and go school, he still can't take my picking. And can't
investigate. I don't find out where you're going.
So, take me now. Now God tell me say they don't give him money. 4 million something. Now my sister say will pay Osara, but he still promise her many things. But the way he can't promise her, he not can't know what he promise her. So he get my mind no one make him. Now he can't tell me I come out. I can't come out for us. I can't come out. I can't the fear.
Who that Osara be to you? Who she actually be?
Osara now mama senior, the same father, the same mother. Osara mama even dey Lagos. Now he call me. I say I know they Lagos. The mama they children well Osara senior. They their house and mama senior na.
Osara dey.
So Osara na wear that shirt.
What's the Osara can kill you, Gladys?
Now maybe Gladys.
Who say Osara can kill you?
Augusta Sagbefo. Gladys say Sagbefo.
You don't follow Augusta talk since that time.
Huh?
You don't follow Augusta talk since that time.
So what if he happen where drama pick to away for a house? A driver, police. Is there? Not they come here again. He said, I said no, come here again. Not be sister. So I don't tell her. I said talking. I said now me they worry with my picky. Say in me they worry, and that's why he say he don't do ojuju, do medicine, nothing do me. Now I made the whole gone enough. If they try gone no tell me make the take knife cut my neck. He said now the knife gone at the age. He promised him 4 million something. He was he do something for the after the dog kill my enemy. Me I not just the cost myself for his as I told you, if I say he kill me, but I thank God. Well, now save me now. I did not call you since then. My mad did not call it grant. I'm not doing anything. Baba God they look me.
No, me we been there with the add price.
If don't tell you 1 million, right?
No, not me.
Told you 1 million.
Me we don't add the price.
If they don't tell you 1 million, or not tell you 1 million.
How much they tell you?
They tell you 1 million, or they don't tell you 1 million.
But they tell me 1 million.
They tell 1 million. You tell the sister for London 4.5 million. I mean, no tell her 4.5 million.
Precious, let him explain. Explain the money part. How much were you offered?
She haven't given me any money.
How much did you agree? Did you discuss?
She told me that she will pay me. She will pay him 4.5 million.
How much do you agree with?
Oh, Precious, your voice will be entering. Just tell us your involvement, the money part. How much did you negotiate? How much were you paid? How were you involved?
Just tell us so that nobody interrupts me again.
That is it.
Just want your
Okay, I saw that he will price. I was okay, go and meet my. I will give my food to my brother. Then I be my second. Then I price the business because I didn't do it. My friend said that she haven't do it once. So let him ask Igbene John. That's where we start the business. Okay.
How much Igbene John talk? How much you tell your sister?
Me with Igbene John.
How much Igbene John tell you? How much you tell your sister?
Igbene John price with this my friend.
How much?
He told 1.5, baby.
How much you tell your sister? I want to have you on record, don't you?
Is it 1.5?
How much
No, 1.5.
How much you tell your sister?
4.5.
Tell us how much you now. Tell it as a story.
Tell that story. Igbene John say you go collect this one. I tell my sister this one.
I told my sister this. The manager agreed. They said that.
I said that. That the daughter should know that I will say the truth. Igbene John said that. Abe Lucky said that he can look for person to do it. You understand? Now, so since I cannot do it, he said he will look for a person to do it. Then I agree with 4.5 million. You understand? Then he will now discuss with the Igbene John, say he will pay Igbene John 1.5 million, 1 million. That's where I involve.
So waiting was supposed to be your share inside.
We didn't even.
Waiting be your own gain.
We didn't even bargain anything.
With your sister, what was your gain?
No, my sister didn't even. He said he will do something for me, but he haven't send me 1 naira.
What did she say she would do? What did she say?
When the guy